This video is going to cover Unit 25, Section 8, Angles Outside of a Circle. On page 638 at the bottom, we have a blue box that says, an angle formed outside of a circle by two secants or by two tangents or by a secant and a tangent is measured by 1/2 the difference of the intercepted arcs. Okay, so what does that all mean? Now here's the first situation. These are two secants. So we have point A, B, C, and K. Yes, that is a joke. All right, so here's one arc, AK. Here's arc BC. So it is arc AK minus arc BC. So you take the larger one, subtract the smaller one, and then divide by 2. So this is very similar to what we had before, except now we are subtracting. So this will give you angle 1. So if this arc were 20, let's say, and this one were 50 degrees, 20 degrees and 50 degrees, we would have 50 minus 20 divided by 2, so that would be 30 divided by 2, so angle 1 would be 15 degrees. Okay, so this is two secants. Here we have two tangents. So this is a tangent line and this is a tangent line. So if we're looking for angle 3 right here, and so we would have maybe point A and B. So we would have, and let's put another one over here, point E, just to have the difference between the two arcs. Because I wouldn't want to say arc AB minus arc AB. So the big arc, AEB minus the smaller arc, AB, divided by 2. Okay, let's call this one looks like about 100. That would make this one over here, since the entire circle is 360, that would make this one 260. So we've got 260 minus 100 divided by 2. So that gives us 160, oops, not 168, 160 divided by 2, which means that this angle 3 right here is equal to 80 degrees. Doesn't really look like it, but for the math. Okay, then we have this situation right here where we have a tangent and a secant. So let's call this point A. This one we'll call point B, and this one we'll call point C. And we have angle 4 right here. So we take this, well actually this is the bigger one. So arc AB minus arc AC. So what if AB were 100 and arc CA were 80, looks like, maybe. So we would have 100 minus 80 divided by 2, so we would have 20 divided by 2, so angle 4 would equal 10 degrees. Now obviously these aren't to scale, but that's the idea. So if we have an angle outside of the circle, then we subtract. If the angle is inside or on the circle, that is when we add. So that's the equations are very similar. The difference is subtract when the angle is outside, add when the angle is either inside or on.